upon a time, a girl, Tina, was looking around for a book as she had misplaced it. Suddenly, she saw a key under a cupboard. She wondered as to which lock it belonged to. She asked her sister, but she did not know. They tried to open the storeroom, but it did not open. They tried to open their mother's cupboard with it. The cupboard was full of goodies to eat, and the children were feeling hungry. But to their disappointment, it did not open the cupboard. Finally, Tina said, "There is only a little cubby hole under the stairs. Let us try to open it." To their joy, the lock opened easily. They were surprised to find Christmas decorations there. "Let us put them up and give Mother a surprise," cried Tina. So, the children had a fun time putting up the decorations. The Christmas tree looked very beautiful indeed. The wild flowers. The Clark family was celebrating Christmas. Father had given presents to everyone. Rose had also given her gifts. Bella was worried. She had not given presents to anyone. This was because Bella had used up all her pocket money. She wondered as to what to give. She went outside to look for something to give her family. She kept walking and walking till she came to a field. There, she saw many wild flowers. Her mind clicked. She plucked the flowers and ran back home. She went to her father, mother, and sister who were sitting in the living room. She said, "Merry Christmas to everyone. I am sorry I could not give you gifts as I had spent all my pocket money." Then she gave the flowers to each of them. Mother smiled and asked, "As long as there is love, we do not need any gifts. After all, Christmas is all about love and care." The lesson. Once upon a time, there was a young boy who lived with his parents. He did not like going to the church, though his parents tried their best to convince him to go. One day, his father said, "If you do not come to the church with us, Christ will not listen to your prayers." The boy said, "Tell me about Christ." Father replied, "Jesus Christ is our God. He came on the earth to teach mankind to love one another and live in harmony. Many people became jealous of his growing popularity and cruelly killed him. He was hung on a cross with nails. The boy had tears in his eyes. Father further said, "We must always remember what he preached. He lived accordingly. This is the reason I insist that you should go to the church." The boy finally understood. He started going to the church. His parents were very happy. The bell. Once there lived a boy in the town. Nearby his house was a church. It had a huge bell on its rooftop. The sound of the bell was music to the ears of everyone in the town. The boy and his friends played near the bell every day. They loved hearing the bell ring. One day, the cord of the bell broke. As a result, the bell fell. The residents felt that the boys were responsible for this mishap as they were playing there. There was sadness everywhere as nobody could hear the bell. The boys decided to buy a new rope and tie the bell again. They went to every home in the village and collected money. They collected enough money to buy the bell. They bought a new rope and tied the bell to the roof again. The people gathered near the church on hearing the sound. They expressed thanks to the boys.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.